Hello everyone. In this video today I'm going to talk about how to create user sign in and registration form in your Java application using MS Access database. So to do that I'm going to create new project, and in new project name I'm going to give student details and do finish. After doing that you will get this main package as student details, and click on the student details package, create a new JFrame form and give registration form and then do finish. Now you will get this frame. If you wanna resize this frame, resize this, and then if you wanna give background color for this frame, just take a panel from your palette and just resize it and make it the size of same as the frame size. If you wanna change background, go to properties, and after right clicking and going properties, you will get here background. Right, in properties, background, change the background color. I just want to change it to blue color. Right, then yeah, I just want to give border also. For that I will give border, and I will give border size as 2. Yes, now I just want to display here text, and I just want to edit this as registration form. And then right click it, go to properties and change your font size, make it big, and I just want to give bold and size 36 or 48, whatever I want. And then you just need to make it color. If you want to change background, change background. If you want to change foreground color, text color, then change it to white. Right, if you want to give border for this also, just go to here and there is one properties, border, give border. If you want to give in rounded corner, click on it and give size. Right, and then get another panel, make it over here. Right, yes. Now if I want to change color for this, I will do here, change border, give line border, and size give 2 or 3, and then make it black. And if you want to change background color, click on it and change your background color. Right, yes. Or if you want to change background color some different, then change background color different and make it like this. And then in registration form you need to give name, give it as first name, and go to properties and change the font size 1824, and then change color. To change color, go to foreground and change your color. first name, and after that in first name you need to get your name, right? To do that you just need to take text field, make it and go to properties, change the font size to 18 and then do finish, and copy these two, copy, right, and paste it, again paste, copy paste, right, and that I'm going to change here text as last name, first name, last name, and then date of birth, DOB, phone number, and email address, right? So here I'm going to change this name as first name, F name, variable name, and here last name L name, and then here date of birth as DOB, phone number, change variable name as pnum, phone number, and then email address as add or give email, right? Then at last the one thing you need is address, right? Now type here address, click on it and delete this, and just take a text area from here, text area, and then change variable name as address, add, and add button to submit your data, submit. Even change your button text, go to properties, change your font size and bold, give your font size 48, and then if you want to change color of font, change color, and then do finish, right? After doing that, just run it, go to source code and right click on it and run it. You will get the output, but here just this is the part of designing of your registration form. In your While designing your registration form for real application, you need to add some more attribute like student name, student details, likewise father's name, father's occupation and other things, right? While doing you are doing the search application, include all those things that you actually need while retrieving a data from users or student in your application. Here just I designed this for my example only, and here that I'm going to show how it works, right? For that purpose only I designed this one. So here that I use first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, email address and submit, right? This button. While clicking on submit button, I just need to navigate to my database if there is data in your this field, right? So now we'll see that how we need to do those things. And thus these are the design forms that I will change this color size, text size to color. I want to give pink color, and then font size to 36, right? Then what you want to check, right? And go to your button, submit button, right click on it, go to action perform, or else you can double click on your button and you will navigate to here. And then thus you need to get values from there: string, name, first name, comma, last name, email address, phone number, address, and then what's left, like first name, yeah, date of birth, and date of birth. Now you just need to get these values on clicking your button. Then first name equal to, you will get first name from your first this button. So here variable name is f name, so I will get from f name. Thus you need to get f name dot get text dot toString. GetText is a function that returns a text or value that you have typed in your text field, and it will store those things into string by converting using this toString, right? And then last name real name dot getText dot toString, and date of birth equal to dov dot getText dot toString, and date of birth, phone number, email address and address. For num is equal to phone dot, there is something here, phone number, variable name, yeah, pnum, right? And here email, here pnum dot getText dot toString, email address is equal to email.getText dot toString, and then at last address is equal to add dot getText dot toString. Right, now from your registration form you are getting those name and all the details in your this first name, last name, and this date of birth and all these variables. Now we need to validate those email address and user details whether it is there or not, right? If you need to check first name dot equals null, and then you just need to check all the fields, right? So to do that, just what I will do here is I will copy this, yeah, what I need to do is I will copy this, paste this, right? First name and then last name, and then date of birth, and then phone number, not here, just you need right here, phone number, and then paste email address, at last address, right? If this condition is true, means there is no data submitted by your user, then just you need to show message that jobsonpen dot show message dialog, pass here null, nothing that we are passing here, and then we need to show all fields are required. Please fill it properly, else you need to submit those data in your database, right? Data to be submitted to your database. Now in this case that we are giving AND operation here for everything, that will check what is happening here. It will check whether your data is there or not in every field. If all field is empty, then only it will show this message, otherwise it won't show this message, because we are giving AND operation. AND operation means all the all the case is true, then only it will show that operation, right? So that if these all fields are empty, then only it will show that message. We didn't check that, that what we can write, like we just need to give like this. Control C, Control V, Control V, and instead of null it is not printing nothing. That's why just we need to give it like this, and then your program will work. Sometimes it is reading null, but in this case it is not reading null. That's why I'm going to write here this. Yeah, it is saying all fields are required. I'm typing something here. Type something. Yeah, I leave that one. So that this condition is going to fail if you write this everything, just it won't show this. Yes, now it's working, right? So that's how we need to validate in our application. When your all fields are okay, then only submit, and your all data should be submitted to your database, right? And that we're going to see in next video.